Victor, and today in our cooking class we are baking one of the most famous recipes ever. Everybody loves to eat that candy, and I'm gonna give you a tip. We use a lot of chocolate and we can eat that with ice cream. So today we are making brownies. Let's try it. Now before we start, let's check the materials and the ingredients. Now to make the brownie you need a mixer, a spoon, and a baking pan. Now the ingredients. Let's check. Oil, eggs, sugar, chocolate powder, all-purpose flour, and vanilla extract. Don't forget, all the amount of ingredients they are here, okay? Now let's start. Okay, to start, we have to put in a bowl, okay, the eggs and the sugar. And with the mixer, you have to mix them, alright? Let's go! Now, when it gets like this, okay, really soft and clear, you have to add the oil and the vanilla extract. And again, with the mixer, mix them up. Let's go! Now, to finish, you add the chocolate powder and the all-purpose flour. Right now, you don't use the mixer, okay? You have to use a spoon to mix them really slowly, alright? Here, it's better if you call your mommy and daddy to help you, alright? Check it out. Now look, this is how our dough is going to be. Alright people? Now I'm gonna give you a tip. Before you put the dough in the baking pan, you have to put a little bit of oil and spread it out. Alright? Now let's do it. Again, if you need, you can call your mom and dad to help you. Alright? Look how beautiful our dough is. Now you have to put it in the oven for 25 minutes in 200 degrees, okay? And now we just have to wait. is our brownie. It's smelling so good. Now, let's cut it and try it. Now, look how beautiful it is. Let's try it. It's delicious. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye bye guys. See you later.